This demo walks you through the step-by-step process of uploading a document, configuring print options, and placing a custom print order in AvoGo. Begin by launching the AvoGo application in a browser and log in using your credentials. Now click Print from the options at the top and select Print a document. Upload the soft copy of the document in PDF format that's to be printed. Once uploaded, click Create Print Order to proceed. Next, configure the required print settings like the number of copies, pages to print, print mode, paper size, orientation, and special instructions, if any, necessary for the order. Once configured, scroll down the page and verify the shipping address for the order. Then click Create Print Order to continue to payment. For this scenario, let's select Cash on Delivery as the payment method and click Pay Now. After the payment is processed, verify that the order is placed successfully and click OK to continue. Review the order details to confirm the submitted print order information. To conclude the workflow, navigate to your profile and sign out. Now you know how a business user can upload a document, configure print settings, and place a custom print order in AvoGo.